After leaving the region of Mamre, Abraham traveled to the Negev and settled between Kadesh and Shur. He stayed for a time in the land of Gerar, but once again, Abraham feared for his life. He told the people of Gerar that Sarah was his sister. So Abimelech, king of Gerar, sent for Sarah and took her into his palace. That night, God came to Abimelech in a dream. "You are as good as dead because of the woman you have taken. She is a married woman. Lord, will you destroy an innocent nation? Didn't Abraham say she is my sister? And didn't she say, he is my brother? I did this with a clear conscience and clean hands. Yes, I know you did this with a pure heart. That is why I kept you from sinning against me. That is why I did not let you touch her. Now return the woman to her husband. He is a prophet, and he will pray for you, and you will live. But if you do not return her, you and all who belong to you will surely die." Early the next morning, Abimelech called all his officials and told them what had happened. They were terrified. "What have you done to us? How have I wronged you that you would bring guilt upon me and my kingdom? You have done things to me that should never be done. What was your reason for doing this?" I said to myself, "There is surely no fear of God in this place, and they will kill me because of my wife. Besides, she really is my sister, my father's daughter, though not my mother's, and she became my wife. When God called me to wander from my father's household, I told her, 'This is how you can show your love to me. Everywhere we go, say about me, he is my brother.'" Then Abimelech gave Abraham sheep, cattle, and servants and returned Sarah to him. "My land is before you. Live wherever you like. I am giving your brother 1,000 shekels of silver. This is to cover the offense before all who are with you. You are completely vindicated." Then Abraham prayed to God, and God healed Abimelech, his wife, and his female servants so they could have children again. For the Lord had closed every womb in Abimelech's household because of Abraham's wife Sarah, but now God restored them because of Abraham's prayer.